We're going to talk about how you leave a review for a book on Goodreads.com, a social media platform where readers and writers can share their love of reading. So first thing you want to do is open up your favorite web browser and go to Goodreads.com. Once the site loads, go ahead and make sure that you're signed in. If you're not signed in, go ahead and sign in. And then go up to the top and you'll see a box that says Search Books. For today's example, I'm going to use my debut novel, 2149 Emergence. And you see it comes up as one of the recommended results, but I'll go ahead and click Enter to get a full results. So here I'm going to click on the page, and this loads the book product page. There's a summary of the book here, title, cover, author, bio, as well as where you can purchase a copy. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, here is where you can leave your review. You can rate it, giving it a number of stars, and write a review where you can share your thoughts. I hope this helps. Thank you very much. Hey there, my name's Anthony. Now that you know how to leave a review, I want to talk about the importance of why you should leave a review. Leaving reviews does two things. One, it tells other readers who might be interested in a book what to expect. So that's the number one reason you should always leave a review. The second reason is it helps new authors, especially ones like me, build their careers. These reviews are not only seen by potential readers who might read the book, it's also used as part of the various algorithms that online stores use to show books to other readers. So I encourage you to always leave a review, whether it is for a book I've written or for a book someone else has written. It'll definitely help other readers and the author. All right, happy reading!